How do I assess whether running a Google paid advertising campaign is financially justifiable for a digital product price between $50 to $99 on my ETSY store? What metrics should I consider to ensure a positive return on an ad spend? Okay, first of all, for anyone who asks me usually this question, I highly emphasize them to focus on their landing page, because a high quality landing page can give you optimum results. But since you are promoting a campaign on ETSY where you do not have much control on your landing page, now the strategy and the situation will be different than promoting on a landing page. Now, when you are running for ETSY store and you have a question like this, first of all, you need to see how much budget you have for each. For instance, if you are promoting a product of $60, okay, so now if you have a $60 product, and uh, let's say you pay $10 for taxes and ETSY fee, okay, so now you have $50 which you make profit for each sale. So now when you have this amount, see how much you are willing to pay. For instance, you need to figure out by using SEMrush or any other PPC tool to figure out how much you can pay to get good amount of clicks for your targeted queries. Now, in order to set a high quality campaign, I do have different lectures on my YouTube channel where I have discussed regarding this. So let's say we are going with a $1.5 CPC. Okay. Now, if I have this thing, I need to divide this by this. Well, just a second, let me open the calculator. So the calculator is over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the 50 by 1.5 and I can see 33 clicks. Okay, so 33 clicks I'm going to get, and if I do the calculation and multiply it by 3, so for 100 clicks I'm spending $50. Okay, if you do the math, you can multiply this over here. So an ideal conversion rate, people ask me, is usually 3 to 5% for majority of the terms. Now I have seen scenarios where we have discussed regarding 5 to 8, and some brand building terms where we have discussed 24% conversions, but these are specifically for those people who know their product and they are searching for the brand term. So now over here, if we assume that we are getting 3% CTR, okay, 3% conversion rate, I mean, so at 3% conversion rate we can see 100 clicks, so it's worth trying it. If it's fall your now if you make 3 sales with 100 clicks, you will be at equal, because with 3 clicks you will earn 150 after paying the taxes, and you will spend 150 based on the above amount. Now if you are able to achieve this, then you should consider promoting it or improving it. But if you do not have this figure, it's not worth a while. Or if your CPC is very high in the industry, it's not going to work. And then how you can optimize over here, there can be a lot of things where you can optimize. For instance, with the product you can give add-ons, free bonuses with your existing product to increase the sales. Now with the on the campaign side, you can look around for where the people are coming from. You can spend more on those areas, locations, which time days working well, which keywords are working well. So these are the things over here. Now there is not hard and fast rule, but you have to go with an average, and I just quoted you a strategy which you can use for your digital marketing product. Okay, it's advertising is something which I usually recommend, and it's worth definitely a very good experience, because this can help you in brand recognition, and eventually, for instance, if you get good conversions from over here, this can also help you in ranking your product on ETSY, where you can get more organic reach as well. So maybe you are at equilibrium point over here, but with this you are getting more conversions, more reviews on your course, and if your course is genuinely good, you may get good organic reach, which will eventually help you in getting more sales through ETSY directly. So yeah, you need to consider those factors as well before deciding it. So I hope I answered your query. In case if you need a Google Ads audit setup or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.